Welcome to the video tutorial on how to install and use the RST Threat Feed app for Splunk. This app allows you to integrate your threat intelligence data with Splunk, giving you the ability to detect potential security threats in your network. Let's get started. To install the app, download it from the Splunk Marketplace or search for the RST Threat Feed app for Splunk in your Splunk console. Once installed, a setup wizard will guide you through the process of configuring the app. Let's follow the steps recommended by the wizard. To use the app, you will need to have a valid API key to collect data from the RST cloud. You can obtain one by sending an inquiry to trial@rstcloud.net or by using the link provided in the app documentation. Once you have entered your API key, the jobs to maintain the TI lookups run automatically on a daily basis. However, for the purpose of demonstration, we will run them manually. Each download job needs to be triggered individually for domain, IP, URL, and hashes. After triggering the download jobs, let's navigate to the lookup definitions to see how the structure of the lookups is automatically defined once the first download job is finished successfully. The download jobs pull data daily to the same base lookups. Therefore, you can expect the most recent data to be found in there. Downloaded data includes a lot of information about each indicator, including CVEs, categories like C2 or botnet, threat names, and so on. You can see how the lookup definitions are automatically updated once each of the download jobs is done. The other lookups, that include _summary, in the name, are used to store accumulated data and are less complex in terms of the number of fields used. These summary lookups are used by rules for real-time detection. Once all download jobs are finished, it's time to run update jobs to populate all of the summary lookups. You'll notice that there are fewer fields in the summary lookups, which helps minimize memory usage for real-time detection. Let's quickly review the examples of alert definitions that come as a part of the app. There are 4 of them. Usually, it is a good idea to have throttle configured to enable alert suppression for the same indicator. All of the detections follow the same logic and are populated with recommended score levels and categories to detect malicious activity. These can be adjusted to meet your environment requirements. Once all download jobs are finished, it's time to run update jobs to populate all of the summary lookups. Let's close the download job tabs and move on to the next type of pre-populated scheduled saved searches, update jobs. You'll notice that there are fewer fields in the summary lookups, which helps minimize memory usage for real-time detection. However, the lookups still include such useful fields as score, threat names and tags. These are responsible for populating the summary lookups with the latest data from the download lookups. The run time for these jobs is typically shorter than the download jobs, but it still depends on how long you want to store the cached indicators in the summary lookups. It's worth noting that you can redefine the time to live, TTL, for each lookup on the app's setup page. We generally recommend storing IP addresses for a shorter period of time, as these are dynamic indicators that can change frequently. On the other hand, URLs and hashes can be stored for longer periods, as they are less likely to change over time. Finally, after the sync process is finished, the cleanup jobs will automatically delete old content, ensuring that the lookups remain up to date and relevant. And that's it. You now know how to install and use the RST Threat Feed app for Splunk. If you encounter any issues, please refer to the troubleshooting section in the app documentation or reach out to RST Cloud support team. Thank you for watching.